Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can check Chase Bank statement. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So step 1, from my accounts page, choose the account for which you want to view a statement and click the statements link. Note that an exclamation point icon will appear next to the statement link when a new statement is available. After selecting the account, now if you want to view statements from the current year, simply click on view next to statement you want to see. If you want to see a statement from a previous year, click your desired year and then view next to statement you want to see. Your statement will appear in a new window. You may click the print button to print a copy of your records. To get your account statement manually on your mobile app, simply log in your account. After that, go over to your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and scroll down to the Documents tab, select Statements tab, and follow the same procedure of choosing your preferred account. This is how you can check Chase Bank account statement. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.